Hey guys, tonight I'm going to discuss Merch Informer and we're going to go through the product search module. And if you haven't subscribed to Merch Informer yet, I worked out a great deal with them where you are going to be able to save 87% on a Merch Informer Pro subscription. All you need to do is visit ryanaraymond.com/mi yearly. The Merch Informer subscription is usually $59.99 a month for the highest plan that gives all of the best features. And with my code, you're going to get that for just $100 a year. Think about that. The normal basic subscription costs $9.99 a month, which is $120 a year. So this is kind of a no-brainer for you guys. And I want to thank Merch Informer for working this deal out with them today. And I'm hoping you guys are going to enjoy this video. All right, guys. So what we're going to start with is the product search module. So when you log into Merch Informer, you're going to come over here on the left and you're going to see all the modules. The second one down is the product search module. When you come open here, what you're going to see is a keyword search box, a marketplace search box, and categories of Merch by Amazon shirts, t-shirts, long sleeves, sweatshirts, hoodies, and pop sockets, v-necks, tank tops, raglans. So you're going to be able to search by whatever kind of product category you're looking for. So for this example, what we're going to do is we're just going to start with a simple keyword. So if let's say we were wanting to look at Merch by Amazon shirts and we were starting to investigate the unicorn niche and you wanted to validate that there's going to be product sales in the unicorn niche. So let's start with unicorn and we're just going to enter unicorn as a keyword and look for Merch by Amazon shirts. All right. So what this is going to do is it's going to show right here, you can look at the results data or the keyword count. And the results data, what the product search module does is it looks for products that are ranking for your keyword that have sales. And it's going to return the top 200 results. And it's going to tell you the average price, $13.97, with the highest price of $29 and an average price of $18.88. So you can use these numbers to kind of gauge where you should enter in this niche for your specific design that you have created. Now the average BSR for those 200 shirts is 954,970. So we know this is going to be a pretty popular niche. Now over here on the other side, on the right, we have the keyword count. It's got unicorn has been used 565 times in these 200 search results. Birthday has been used 483 times. Gift 344. Now fit was 210. Probably don't want to use fit anymore. Party was 202. Perfect 196 times. Day 177. Girls great funny. And so you can use these to look through and identify the keywords that are helping these bestsellers rank. Now, that's the first thing that you want to do here. So now you can come through and look. So the very first search result doesn't even actually have unicorn information on it. But once you're down in here, so that's probably some keyword stuffing going on there. You can click on information for the details of this. All right. And it's going to now flag any words that may have trademark registered for that word or phrase, and you may need to investigate further. It's going to look at the title and bullets of this shirt, and you're going to be able to see the historical price and the best sellers rank of this shirt as it has sold over the last 3 months, it looks like. So from June 23rd through September 23rd. That gives you some good information about what if this design is selling well and if it's potentially going to be something good for you to dive into. Now, don't come in here and just make what is selling. You're going to use these to identify what types of niches are selling well within that niche and how you can come up with a unique design to enter the market. Because now you have identified the best-selling keywords to target, so you're going to be able to craft yourself a design that's going to be able to enter this market and have a good chance of making sales. So when you come down here, it's going to tell you how many reviews the product has, its ASIN, its price. You can add it to your favorites list. Okay, so you're going to be able to come in here. You're going to be able to check for trademarks. And this little copyright mark right here, if you click this, this is going to take you to the Amazon report infringement page. So if one of your designs shows up here and you want to report infringement, this is going to take you right to the page to fill out the information and send in your copyright claim. All right, guys, that's the basics of the product search module. And if you haven't yet, make sure you go to ryanaraymond.com/mi yearly to save 87% off your Merch Informer yearly subscription. Thank you, guys, and I'll see you in the next video.